everyone, today we will learn the six kinds of sentences in English. Very simple and very important. First, affirmative sentence. It tells something positive. She is happy. Negative sentence. It shows denial. Example, she is not happy. Third, interrogative sentence. It asks a question. Example, is she happy? Fourth, imperative sentence. It gives an order, request, or advice. Example, close the door. Fifth, optative sentence. It expresses a wish or prayer. Example, may you succeed. Sixth, exclamatory sentence. It shows a strong feeling. Example, what a beautiful day. So remember affirmative, negative, interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamatory. Master these
How many
six.
kinds of sentences are there in English?
There are six kinds of sentences. First, affirmative. Second, negative. Third, interrogative. Fourth, imperative. Fifth, optative. Sixth, exclamatory.
How many kinds of sentences are there in English?
There are six kinds of sentence. First, affirmative. Second, negative. Third, interrogative. Fourth, imperative. Fifth, optative. Sixth, exclamatory.
Yeah. How many kinds of sentences are there in English?
There are six kind of sentences: affirmative, negative, interrogative, imperative, optative, exclamatory.